Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm Shelley and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a pretty bookmark. It would make a great Christmas gift for any of your friends or family who are book lovers. So I've got a 3mm hook and I've got 4-ply bamboo yarn. The thinner that your yarn and hook are, the better it will look, but I'm just going to use 4-ply for this tutorial. So I'm going to chain 11 plus 5, so that's 16. So for the foundation row, we're going to single crochet into the 8th chain from the hook. Sorry, I should have said double crochet, but it is single crochet if you're in the US. And then we're going to chain 4, and we're going to skip 4 stitches and double crochet, single crochet if you're American, into the next one, and then we're going to chain 2 and work a half treble or a US half double crochet into the last stitch and turn, chain 1 and then single or US double crochet into the same stitch, and then we're going to work 5 treble crochets or US double crochets into the double crochet from the row below, and then we're going to slip stitch into the next chain space, the one in the middle, and then we're going to work again 5 treble crochet or US double crochet into the double crochet or single crochet from the row below. And finally end with a double crochet into the 3rd chain or a single crochet US and turn. And for the second row we're going to begin with a chain 5 and then we're going to go into the 3rd treble or double crochet from the previous row and work a double or single crochet, and then we're going to chain 4 and we're going to go across to the other shell and we're going to go into the 3rd stitch and work a double or single crochet, and then we're going to chain 2 and work a single or double crochet into the 1st stitch and turn. So that's the 2-row repeat. So for the next row we're going to chain 1 and work a double or single crochet into the same stitch, and then we're going to work a shell into the double or single crochet from the previous row. So 5 treble crochets or double crochets. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're going to slip stitch into the chain space in between the shells, and then we're going to work a 5 treble or double crochet shell into the double crochet or single crochet from the previous row. And then just work a double or single crochet into the chain from the beginning of the last row and turn. And again we're just going to chain 5 and work a double or single crochet into the 3rd stitch of the shell, chain 4. Sorry, my yarn's a bit bamboo yarn, splits so easily. So 4 chains and then into the 3rd stitch of the shell, next shell, chain 2 and double or single crochet into the 1st stitch of the previous row. So that's your 2 rows, and basically you just need to continue working those 2 rows until the bookmark is the length that you require. So yeah, just the fringes as you would do for a scarf, 2 strands at a time and knot them, and then complete to the end of the bottom of the bookmark and then trim so they're all nice and straight.